Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and today I'm answering your questions. This one comes from Danielle, and she has a question about Pinterest. And she goes, is it better to make separate boards for something that could be a subcategory of another board you already have, or is it better to use the section feature? I'd been using the section feature, but I realized it doesn't allow you to create a description like a board does. So I'm thinking there's not as big an SEO, search engine optimization benefit there. Thoughts? You were like spot on. There is no real benefit to creating board sections unless you want to categorize it for your own personal use, which to me, that seems like a waste of time. I honestly don't even really use Pinterest that much for my own personal use. So I use it primarily just for business. And in terms of search engines on Pinterest, which Pinterest has an amazing search engine feature. That's why I love it. I would definitely suggest just creating a separate board, and you're going to get more results in the business that way. So I hope you found that helpful. If you want to dive more into Pinterest, I got a free masterclass. I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest to generate over 20,000 views in my business for free. Go to freepinterestclass.com, and I will